You want to see outside? It's raining today. Hello. Today, how are you today? Yeah, I've come up with finally. There were some delays as much as I like to put up the videos because of technical issues. So hopefully this works, and the idea that is here today is a type of taco. Using this and the grater, the zucchini, we're going to add some dried mushrooms and some cumin powder, maybe some lime for the filling, and then of course, if possible, we'll put it together with some avocado, and if you have tomato, you could put tomato on it. You could make a salsa of tomato and mango. We'll see what happens. And what is the holding part going to be? It's just going to be lettuce. Yeah, we're not going to dehydrate. This isn't dehydrating anything. There's no grinding nuts. And the zucchini is actually, in terms of food, especially raw, it's very hydrating, has a lot of moisture, and actually has relatively high protein content for a vegetable. I'm sure it's very bioavailable. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is grate the zucchini on a grater. Of course, if you have a food processor, you could put it through the food processor to make it small, and then it'll stick together. So when you eat it, it sticks together. Let's go. I couldn't eat, I mean, this is so possibly to eat like this. But your mouth would just eat up a bowl many days a week, especially if you're working out to build some muscle. There's a big bowl of delicious. With it. Sometimes I'll eat it, sometimes I won't, or it'll go through for juice. The next step, here we go. There is some, I'll show you the mushrooms dried, some, it's actually quite fresh iceberg lettuce, a little pepper if you'd like, and these are these tomato type golden berries found here. These are dried mushrooms I bought, and then put them through the blender, and I make a sprinkle like this and keep it in the refrigerator, and that'll be a good amount, maybe 2 tablespoons it looks like. There'll go some, can you smell it? It's cumin. You can grind your own seeds, and I'm starting with about half a tablespoon. That's in plastic. Isn't that beautiful? Here's some lime. This is a ripe lime. This is date paste. Soaked dates, about a cup, and then ground down with a little bit of water, just enough to make a paste. Small bit, it would be a tablespoon. This is a split wall chlorella. I'm tasting it without the chlorella. It is so good. Together. There you have it. Hello. Okay, ready? So, puts together, simple, so nourishing, so delicious and hydrating, served with lime. And you could use small tomatoes here. There also could be used cayenne in it, eliminate the chlorella. Simply with the mushroom added and the cumin powder. I put in the date paste. This large zucchini made large zucchini, a grater, as much avocado as you want, some other kinds of fruit, dried mushrooms. If you don't have dried mushrooms, it might work with like some dulce flake or dried wakame flakes, a bit of lime if you like, some mango if you like. All right. Thank you.